In this video, I will show you how to delete temporary files in Windows 10. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my desktop. Now to go ahead and do this, first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner to your search box and just go ahead and type run into the search box. So what should happen, this should bring up the Run app underneath Best Match, and what you want to do is just click on this to open it up. Then in the Run box down here, you want to type the following, which is the % symbol followed by temp, then another % symbol, and then press enter on your keyboard. So this is going to take you across to all your temporary files and folders. Now all you need to do is basically click onto any of these, and you want to hold down Control and press A to select all the files. Then what you want to do is right click, and you're going to see an option to delete just down here. So just go ahead and click delete. All these temporary files are just basically, there's nothing important, so you don't have to worry. This isn't going to sort of like create any problems on your PC or anything. It's just temporary files that you can delete, and they do actually take up quite a lot of space. So I would recommend doing this quite frequently when you can. And basically you just want to go ahead, and it takes a couple of minutes depending on how many temporary files are actually on your PC. Now on some of the files you might get a pop-up like this where it says this action can't be completed because the file was open in Chrome or something like that. So generally what I do if this comes up, I will tick the box here to say do this for all current items, and then just go ahead and skip. So after a couple of minutes you can see this looks a lot better. Now what you want to do after this is come back to your desktop, and you just want to right click onto your recycle bin, make sure to empty your recycle bin to fully delete temporary files from Windows 10. So as you can see, that's going to go through and just completely delete these from your PC. So that is how to delete temporary files on Windows 10. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.